Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn how we can write into any text file using Java. Okay, so that is very important question asked in any Java interview, and this is frequently asked question. Okay, so let's see how we can achieve it. So before coming to the code, please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it, and please share with your friends and family whoever is preparing for any Java interview or want to learn Java or preparing for any automation interview. Okay, Selenium test ng, and also comment your thoughts, okay, on my videos. Okay, positive, negative, all comments are welcome. Okay, any feedback is fine, and also please like my videos. Okay, so that if any improvement action need to be taken, so that I can work on that. Okay, so let's come to the code now. So first what we are doing, we are creating a class write to text file. Okay, then we are invoking the main method. Then we have taken two classes. Okay, we are creating object file writer object fw, and another we have taken buffer writer. So in the file writer object we are creating, and we are mentioning this path, okay, where we need to write. So this is the path. Okay, under C there is a study folder, and under this there is a files folder. Under this there is the text file. So if this file is present, then it will overwritten. If this file is not present in this location, then file will be created, and whatever we want to write in, that will be written in that file. Okay, and then what we are doing, we are creating a buffer writer class. Okay, buffer writer object or buffer writer class. Okay, and we are passing this buffer writer file writer object. Okay, then what we are doing, then we are using this buffer writer object, and here there is a method write, and inside that we have written, in the first line we have written hello, then school, then flower. Okay, then we need to close this. Okay, we need to close this file, so that's why we have used the method close. Okay, so let's run it, let's see the result. Okay, I think code is run. Let's go to, okay, so this file is created. So let's open it. Okay, so everything is coming in a single line. Okay, so if we want to write in a each word in a single line, so how we can achieve it, that also we can little bit modify the code. Okay, so here if we can give like this, so that what happen. Okay, so here what I am giving, I am giving this backward slash n. So what it will happen, once hello will be printed, then the cursor will go to the next line. Okay, and school will be printed that line, and then cursor will come to the next line, then flower will be written. Okay, so after flower I am not giving because there is no other word. So now let's run it, let's see the result. Okay, so now let's see the result. So now if you could see, it is overwritten. I didn't delete the file, right? So here in the same file it is overwritten hello, school, and flower in a three separate line. Okay, so in that manner, if you want to see whether your code is means completed or not, here you can write another line, system.out println this is done or this is completed. So like that also, so you can understand that it ran successfully. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, this is a very simple program, but this is frequently asked a question, okay, in any interview. So please practice it, and let me know if you have any doubt regarding this. Okay, and I will try to clarify those doubts. Okay, and please subscribe my channel, it will be motivating for me, okay, to make more videos. Okay, so thank you all, have a nice day, and I will come with another video on the next day. Good night.